Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic Chinese style rice cooker congee recipe. This will cost you about 50 pence to make and it'll keep you full up for most of the day. Congee can help you lose weight because it's mostly water, fills your stomach without many calories, easy on digestion, it's gentle on your stomach so you feel comfortable and satisfied without overeating. It's also hydrating and filling. The high water content keeps you full longer, which can help prevent snacking. You control the add-ons. Add lean proteins, egg, chicken, tofu and vegetables instead of fatty meats or fried toppings. Avoid healthy oils or too much soy sauce if you're watching sodium or calories. You can use all white rice or use brown rice, half white rice for more fibre. Add vegetables, spinach, cabbage, mushrooms. Include a bit of protein, boiled egg, shredded chicken or tofu. Not only will it help you lose weight, but it's super healthy and really tasty. I will put the full recipe and measurements in the description box below. All you need for this recipe is a few simple ingredients, a rice cooker and very little time. The rice cooker is going to do all the work for you. During the winter months, people tend to eat a lot more and put on weight towards Christmas. I would eat this twice a week during the winter nights and it just keeps you feeling great, healthy and fit just in time for Christmas. Absolutely beautiful. Just season it up with some ground white pepper, some spring onions, sesame oil, a splash of light soy sauce, give it a stir and that's it. It's absolutely beautiful and so simple to do. Takes you no time to cook, costs you 50p, keeps you full up most of the day. Where would you get it? Just a quick shout out to my new members, Mary O'Neill, Aidan Kidd, Jacinta Letters, Brian O'Shea, Michelle Cogan. Thank you very much for becoming members and enabling me to bring everyone else's video. Thank you. So there you have it, congee, Chinese rice porridge.